Hi, I'm Margie Remmers-Davis, creator of the Fast and Easy Way to QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor certification, and I am so excited to be here today because I have some exciting news, such exciting news about our QBO Gym. Now, if you don't know what the QBO Gym is, it is our subscription product that allows you to get simulated experience actually being a bookkeeper. It's like a flight simulator for bookkeepers. So you get to, when you log in, you get to actually be a bookkeeper for our fictitious business owner using the sample company, where you sit down, you work on what money has come in and what money has come out, and then you work all the way through reconciling accounts and sending reports off to your business owner. So every month you get a new pack of practice exercises where you get to practice hands-on. You get to actually, it's like you are a bookkeeper. So I am super excited because this month we have released yet another feature of the QBO Gym that is going to help you so much. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're going to love it. Our early testers looked at it. They just thought it was phenomenal, and I can't wait to share it to you, share it with you. But before I do, I have to give you a little bit of backstory. So a couple of weeks ago, it was my birthday. And for my birthday, I said to my community, I said, instead of making wishes, I am granting them. And so I asked people what they wished for, like what it was that I could help them with in their business. And I got tons and tons of responses. And I did a drawing a couple of days later, and I gave away a bunch of free stuff and discounts and all of that, and I talked to all these people, and it was just so phenomenal. It was so great. But what I learned was something I really wasn't aware of at all, and that was how many of my students struggle with getting out there in the business world and making it known that they are a bookkeeper and hanging up their shingle, raising their hand and saying, hey, yes, I can help you with your books, because they don't want to come off as spammy, and maybe they're a little nervous about being new, and they just don't know what to post. They know that posting on social media is really something they should be doing, but they don't know what to say. And the creativity gene with a lot of bookkeepers is just, that's why we're bookkeepers, is we don't want to be creative. So I put my thinking cap on, and I have developed, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Now in the gym, you have built-in marketing prompts for what you are learning. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so here is the QBO Gym. This is what it looks like on the inside. When I click all workouts, then I can see for every month all of the different practice exercises that come in. So here is the month of September. It's divided into 4 different sections. So, we've got this gym theme coming, going on. So the warm-ups are all about the things you do when you first walk in. You see what money has come in, you see what money has come out, you process bank feeds, and then you do the things that Craig has asked you to do. Maybe you have to send out invoices. In this particular issue, he gave his employees credit cards, and so now you have to enter the corporate credit card and pay off that credit card. Okay, so there's a bunch of things there. And then in the strength training, this is where we go into a deep dive into a particular topic, and that's related to something in Craig's business. Now, this month in September, the topic for strength training is prepayments. What do you do when Craig's customer pays in advance of actually receiving the services? Okay, so there's lots of ways actually to handle it. Some of them are not that great, but work. Others are more time consuming, but that's really the GAP approved way to do it. And we go over all of that in the scenario of actual things that are happening to Craig, right? This isn't just, theory. You're actually going to hands-on do the actual things in the in your exercises in the sample company. You're going to collect payment in different ways, and you're going to record it in different ways, and then you're going to then we have cool down, which is where you do all of your reconciling. So you're going to reconcile of the accounts, and then you are going to send reports off to Craig. And it's always reports that are related to stuff that you've learned, or some new technique about reports. In September, it happens to be understanding the profit and loss and having a conversation with Craig about what he, how his business is going. Okay, so that happens to be what September is. All right, so you're going to go in, you're going to do all of this stuff. I'm going to click the warm-ups just so you can see. Okay, so here we start with a little video, and this little animated video just tells you a little bit about what's happening in Craig's business. Okay, and then underneath the animated video, there is a 3-question quiz. And the quiz is based on the video, and it's not, this is not your certification test. This is just you like testing your knowledge to see if you know these little ins and outs of QuickBooks Online. And then under that is we have all of the different practice exercises. So in this first practice exercise, you're going to practice processing deposits and a cash withdrawal. Okay, so Craig deposited some money and he took some out. Well, how do you handle that cash withdrawal? All right, so you're going to do all of these exercises. It's all fun and gamified. So when you click this, so I'm going to click practice it, I get this little ka-ching, I get points. At the end of it, I get badges. It's all super fun, okay? But here's what we added that I'm so excited to share. All right, so at the bottom, after you have done all of these exercises, we now have sample marketing posts. Okay, so you just learned a topic, and now you can go out and tell people, you can post on social media what you learned. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so it says, congratulations, you have learned a lot so far. Share what you know on LinkedIn and other places business owners hang out. Click here for some sample posts. Now, I'm going to get this list of marketing prompts. So here in the first one, share what you know. You learned about owner's draws. Here's a sample post. Dear business owner, it's your business, so you can just take money out of your account anytime you want, right? Well, if you're a sole proprietor, then yes, but you'll need to make sure you record it correctly in QuickBooks Online. I can show you how, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this right here, this little section, okay? And you're gonna go to LinkedIn, okay? Or whatever social media you're using. LinkedIn tends to be more for businesses. This is where business owners hang out primarily. But you know what? When I lived in Utah, when I first moved there, I tried to connect with everybody on LinkedIn and nobody was using it. Everybody was using Facebook for business. In my mind, Facebook is usually for your personal stuff. That's how I handle Facebook. But in where I was living in Utah, everyone was using Facebook for business, and it was totally expected. So anyway, so maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's LinkedIn, maybe it's, I don't know, your Instagram or like whatever. So you can just take that and you can click right here, and you can just make a post right there about it, and I can just post it right there on my LinkedIn page. Okay, and I can share it with others or whatever. Now it's kind of boring, right? So it just says that, but I could add just a fun picture. Look, my friend here took a beautiful picture of where she was, and that's kind of eye-catching. So a lot of times people have a picture, just like an eye-catching picture. Sometimes people put like just a picture of a frog, and it's not related to the post at all, but they'll put in the post something like picture just for attention. Or you could put it in a, just like a fancier picture, like if you wanted to use Canva or presentation software, like a slideshow. I do that a lot. Use slideshows because there's fun stuff in there. You just save the image. So then you have an image and it has your little text in it and you've got this thing. Now, the other thing is, so you're going to post this. Let me go back to the marketing prompts and show you a couple things. Okay, so these are the warm-up prompts. There's 5. So in this September issue, there are 15 prompts that you can use to share on social media. 15 prompts, that's like one every other day, which is plenty. Okay, so you can do this. Now this is the September warm-ups. This will only show up. Remember I showed you over here? Okay, this will only show up if you have done these. If you have checked all of these, then you will get your marketing prompts for warm-ups. Now this is a sample account, so mine isn't checked, but when yours are, you won't see it unless it's checked. Okay, so you're gonna make sure these are checked, and then you're gonna click this little link, click here for sample posts, and here's gonna be your September warm-ups. Then you're gonna do the same thing for cardio. You're gonna go through all the exercises, and then here's cardio. Okay, so you're gonna go through, watch the little video, the quiz, do all these exercises. You're gonna check them off, and once you've checked them off, when you click here for some sample posts, then you're gonna see the September cardio section. So here's 5 more. Remember I just said about credit cards. You're going to learn in the September issue how to handle corporate credit cards, which is not the same as your regular personal credit card. Okay, so you just copy this and just post it in LinkedIn. Maybe put it, if you wanted it to be more eye-catching, you could put it in an image, in a Canva, or you could just attach a picture or whatever to make it just a little bit more fun. Okay. But here's the other thing that I want you to know. For LinkedIn, I don't know about the other platforms, but for LinkedIn, here's what you want to make sure that you do. Notice how under my name is what is right here is this little text that's going to be on everything that I post. Okay, here's my friend, and her thing is, here's what her says. Okay, and that one's an ad. Okay, got some ads here. Boy, I have a lot of ads. I don't know these people. All right, I know this person. Okay, so he just reposted something. Okay, and you're gonna see here's somebody with a work anniversary, and it has their the little tag that's underneath right here. Everything you post is gonna have your name and this little whatever sentence or whatever for you. Okay, I want you to make sure, so you're gonna edit this, edit your profile, make sure you change this so that it says QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Okay, QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Make sure that it says QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. So then when you post on LinkedIn, you're going to have this little thing, and right under here, right under your name, it's going to say QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, and here's your little tip. And you could even title it. You could say tip for the day, something like that. Just post that on there. And so this is going to help you get noticed. Make sure it says QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. What? You tell me you're not a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor? Oh my gosh, you need to become a certified ProAdvisor. In fact, it should say certified QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. You want to make sure that you get your certification, and we can help you with that. So we have a course that will help you get your ProAdvisor certification in as little as 5 hours. So you could do it in a day. You could just do it on the weekend, right? Get your ProAdvisor certification status so that you can, on your LinkedIn, you can just say that you are a certified QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Don't say QBO, because a lot of people don't know what that is, but say QuickBooks Online. Everybody knows that, okay? Certified QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, and then every couple of days, just post a little quick tip, and you don't even have to think about it, because now in the gym, we're giving it to you. We're giving it to you right here. So you're gonna do the lesson, you're going to do the exercise, so then and then now that you can share it with others. And I am so excited. This is going to be so great. I can't wait to hear your guys' success stories with this. This is in the September issue. We're just releasing it just now. So this is in the September issue. It's going to be going forward. So you're going to see it in October, November, December. And then slowly but surely we'll start working through the back issues also. So that you have all of these prompts to be able to help you with your marketing, help you raise your hand and say, hey, I am a bookkeeper and I can help you. And I am so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear your success story. Take care.